Hello everyone. Talking about the content. Now in this phase what we are going through, we are at home. Even though there is no lockdown, but we are like in the circumstance where we feel like lockdown. Not everybody will go outside, and we have to take proper precaution. We are so worried about if we go out, and if we don't take proper precaution, it should not harm us. So the atmosphere in us and our home is like very tense. So what one should do in this phase, which is going very heavy, and we feel like something negative is around. So it can be easily felt and sensed by all the humans, people who are going through this phase. Not a single country has been, survived or out of reach of this pandemic. Now the question comes that there are few countries, yes, who were out of this pandemic, but they also felt, this pandemic, now the 2020 pandemic is very high, and the fear that this pandemic should not reach our country. So all the fears, this negative should not reach us, everybody has felt. It's not about the talking about the virus, it's about the negativity created by it, and the fear has reached all the countries. Everybody was talking about it. In such phase where we feel we are part of this, and how to come out, what we should do. So now we can actually check, it has happened to us also. We have been around where the pandemic is there and negative is like, surrounded. So we know how to stay at home when we feel that it's not easy to stay at home. So that time, at such time, only what has helped, the internet, social media, interacting through videos, YouTube, vlogging, these things have helped. Few must have written also. Few might have felt like, we could write. Whole day writing is not easy. But watching videos and talking to loved ones from video has felt us connected. And many places it has helped to relieve stress. Otherwise that stress, that negative would have created more stress, and such pandemic creates more impact, we can say. Person who is going through having the fever, okay, the person who is going through the fever can feel the pain, but the others can also feel the pain. So I'm talking about these two things. So here I'm not able to frame into the sentence, so I gave this instance. So we can feel also. By feeling also, not though we don't have that pain, but the sense of that feel of pain, that also is nearby or equivalent. Okay, that also leaves a mark on the person. Yeah, this is what I was trying to explain. So while explaining it, things comes out very properly, what I have to say. So the talking about the content, what to say. So this will be a remarkable video for me. Like now we are in the phase, and a video about it will be a good memory about this, that during such phase, the pandemic, and to stay at home, liberty we feel it's going away. Your body needs few movement. The movement is constrained. So the mind, brain sometimes starts reacting. They want to move around, they want to see things. And being human being, if there is limited movement, somewhere starts creating some issues, effects. This effects also will have some illness, some depression. The person may not know that they won't be able to handle it, but one day we think that we will come out of it, so we need some phase, or if it starts, we need to know the end, right? Like here I will give you the instance as like how we run. So we know how much stretch we are going to run. They say it's a start, and the way you finish it, there will be a finish deadline, and there you will come to know that you have come to an end and things are finished. Similarly, if we don't know, we are going through some phase and things, we are like, how long we have to go, when will this come to an end, when this phase will be over, who is going to help us? At least are they working on it? Are they making... I will just turn because some light is coming out. This words and this stress, we can say, is creating a stress, a worry. This creating a worry. This worry is piling up somewhere. This may be harmful to us. How much amount of we are taking this worry and how much stretching it. Few may know that we are worrying about it, how we will come out. No, we have to go out. We won't stay at home. Few obey the authorities. Then the authority, they decided that few people are not ready to be inside, so they started forcing people. It may be favorable, it may not be favorable, but I've seen the videos. So the person who's getting a hit, there you can understand the pain he felt there, and he is out because he cannot stay inside in a certain area where the movement is limited. But from here, who is filming it, the video, so we laugh at them. See, they are not ready, they are not obeying. So from my side and from their side, these are the two things. So I have seen everything. Them also, I understand them also, their state of mind also, their problems also, and our side also, where few people understand their problems, who have limited area, limited movement, they cannot stay inside a congested where there are many people to stay inside. Okay. Then the other people who start pinpointing them, though they are staying in a good place, they have a good area, they have good ventilation, but these people, they don't understand. They say we are obeying, we are understanding, we are understanding, but they are not understanding. But we are understanding. Why we are understanding? Because we have some free space inside us and outside us. but we are not understanding that they don't have inside them freedom and outside their freedom. That state of mind or congestion in the limited room obviously goes inside also. That congestion becomes stress, the stress becomes suffocation, and just to move out your body is like reacting, and you have to just hit out and go outside and sit. ये खुली सांस ले लो. This is, I understand about the space outside and about the space inside, and the people and the environment, how it affects. Stress is not been created by self, or no human likes to take stress. It's like take stress, nobody likes. It's like just the environment around them is creating this thing, created. So this word created, we have to understand the person who, if we say that person suddenly gone into depression, the person suddenly is in stress, and then doctors, they have say like he may be taking like the person himself may be taking it, is not the right answer. Okay, the stress and depression, the around, your surrounding, your environment, what they are giving it to you creates these things. So science, please study on this, that whoever who is eligible and the other people who listens to them have to clearly give this declaration that the person self does not take these things. Nobody likes to take hotness, heatness, negativity. अच्छा ये चीज लेंगे ना तो हमको स्ट्रेस हो जाएगा, ये कोई बता के दे रहा है? नहीं दे रहा है. ये चीजें लोग इमोशनल कर देते हैं. लोग बोलेंगे हमारी बातें सुनो, कोई बोलेगा कि तुम कोई रिपीटेड स्टेटमेंट कहते हैं कि तुम हमारी बातें नहीं सुन रहे हो, तुम हमारी आज्ञा का पालन नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम्हें बड़ों का लिहाज नहीं है, तुमको छोटों का लिहाज नहीं है, तुम्हें बोलना, तुम्हारे ही बिहेवियर देख लो, तुम्हारा बिहेवियर अच्छा नहीं है, तुम्हारा बिहेवियर नेगेटिव है, तुमको करेक्ट करने के लिए हम ये कह रहे हैं. लेकिन उस वक्त जो आपका सराउंडिंग, आपके खुद के फैमिली, अदर्स जो आपको फोर्स कर रहे होते हैं कुछ बातें बदलने के लिए, तो उनको समझना होगा कि हम ये जो चेंज करवाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं किसी के अंदर, वो उसका स्वाभाविक नेचर भी हो सकता है. तो फर्स्ट थिंग आप उसको एक्सेप्ट करो कि ये ऐसे हैं, तो इसके पीछे हम ही हो सकते हैं. हमने ही ऐसा कोई एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट किया है. आज इसके स्ट्रेस और डिप्रेशन के शिकार इसके सराउंडिंग में हम लोग हमने ही दिए हैं. तो पैंडेमिक ये जब आया है अभी, अब हम लोग तो देखो हम लोगों को अब वाईफाई, इंटरनेट, यूट्यूब यूज करना अलाउड है. फैमिली won't say anything about you, won't say anything, and there won't be any hurdle because they are also following the same thing, just to tackle. Why I am behaving this way? Okay, I am behaving in this way because few words, some is going haywire. So I have to talk about east, but it's going to the west. And I am not ready about any content. I simply talk about let's see whether I can talk about a subject. So I started with the statement content. So this is what I have to check, if I can talk about content. So content is a box and it can be filled inside with any given subject. So my later on, like, content I said, then I thought of it like, what should I talk? I'm recording for YouTube. Then the statement I have is like the ongoing situation, the pandemic, how I felt it, what did I see, where, what issues I saw, what did I understood. When we laugh on someone, it's not like we are doing it right. Being happy is different story, but to laugh about on someone is a different. किसी का मजाक उड़ाकर हंसना अलग होता है. Sometimes it may be intentional, मजाक उड़ाकर हंसना. Sometimes it may be unintentional. So when it is unintentional, so that time we come to know, our heartfelt story, something word came out. So it's a heartfelt hard. Like I said, I know about the stress part, I know about the depression part, I know about the congestion inside me, how I am overcoming it. Few words I feel like it's right to use it, but it doesn't fit in a sentence. So what I do, I repeat it and I try to understand why this word came into my mind than in my words. So this is what I'm going through. And this is the reason I understand many of the people who may have gone through some disorder, so-called disorder. The question now came is like, did your environment was such that you are going through such disorder? So I want to say that a single atom, then the outside environment like my family, but outside that there is also my environment, that is society. Then few traditions we follow, our relatives we hear about, then we have to hear it, we have to obey it. So this is part and parcel of life. So somewhere your own people, they are creating something they are not aware about, that this may lead to some different impact on the person of their very own, the dear one, their dear ones, and they will never have such feeling that our dear one should have such issues. We were doing this thing to correct your life. Nobody wants to do such, right? But they also